This is a place where tradition meets the hustle of modern life. Welcome to Dhobi Ghat, the heart of Mumbai's washing machine. So let's explore this colorful experience of Dhobi Ghat with me. Manual way of washing, and this is the machine way of washing, and then they just dry it on top. So this is the most famous place, which is the Dhobi Ghat, and it's really interesting that a lot of people here actually, from kids to elders, like they literally have everything here, so it's really interesting. That's a manual way of washing, and they just dry it, and wow. Dhobi Ghat is a term commonly used in India, Pakistan and some other South Asian countries to refer to a traditional open-air laundry where dhobis, that is a washerman, wash clothes manually. Right now, yes, there is a trend of both machine and manual, but mostly it's manually. It's a both physical place and a cultural place, so it's just very beautiful. One fun fact and the truth is that Dhobi Ghat in Mumbai is the world's largest open-air laundry, and if the easiest way to reach there is take a local train, just get down at Mahalakshmi station and just get out. You'll find beautiful colorful places, clothes hanging from denims to white clothes to a lot of other colorful clothes. That is the place where you have to actually go. Today, there are almost more than thousands of workers who manually wash, beat and iron clothes for hotels, for big hospitals and even celebrities and a lot more. The interesting fact is that this was started since 1819 and right now it has almost 700 plus washing platforms. And the reason why it was started is because these dhobis, which is the washermen, they were of a particular caste, which is the Madiwalas. I think it's a Hindu subcaste, and to abolish, they were the whites who actually wanted to rule, and since they were a lower caste, so they just wanted to treat them as the servants and just wash the clothes. Dhobi Ghat highlights the manual labor economy and a community-based professions. Despite modernization, many still operate because of affordability and tradition. It has now unfortunately become a popular tourist attraction, offering a unique glimpse of amazing, vibrant traditional community and the struggles in the modern Mumbai. The funny fact is that for visiting Dhobi Ghat, there are tour guides, so it's really stupid and insane. I would just say that it actually spoils the whole old culture and everything. But yes, if you are someone who's interested to know about the olden days culture or learn something like how the manual labor actually works, then yes, it's a good. But taking a tourist guide and exploring is, I find it very stupid. Dhobi Ghat is just not a place, it's an entire ecosystem. Every dhobi over here has a role. You won't believe it, from collecting clothes to washing, drying clothes and even delivering back to them. Even without the digital app, there is not even a single mistake made, because every worker over here has a role and they never make mistake. Let it be like the smallest to the biggest work. Many of the workers here are like second and third generation dhobi, so this is just not a job for them. It's just a way how life is passed down from families to within them. So it's really very awesome if you even go visit there and just experience or ask them how the life is. While modern laundry mats and machines are everywhere, but Dhobi Ghat still continues to be number one place for every laundry, an open-air laundry. Yes, it is still adapting little bit of, like, I see that it's moving little bit to a modernization, which is like using machine rather than just using hand labor like normal man labor. But yes, I can still find the roots of that Dhobi Ghat is still there. So if you ever visit to Mumbai, don't just pass by. Take a moment to witness this beautiful Dhobi Ghat and just experience. It's not just about laundry and everything. It's about the life, how actually they are living. So if you guys like the video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.